Hi children, welcome back to the video session. Today you are going to learn about one and many. Yes, already you people have learnt about one and many of textbook activities. Now we are going to learn one and many chapters of activities of Grammarite textbook. Now go fast, run and get your books, and then take out a pencil and a set of eraser so that you can easily write the answers and then know about one and many. Okay, now see here, let's link it. Count and write how many are there. How many there are? That is, see the pictures and then you will come to know what is singular and what is plural. That is one and many. Okay, you are able to see a car, then 3 cars, and a cup and 3 cups, spoon and so many spoons, right? Why more than one adds yes? We just need to know that. Now look at the things on the left. They are one in number. When something is in one number, it is called singular. Look at the things on the right. They are more than one or many in number. When something is more than one or many in number, it is a plural form. Yes, we add s to a naming word to show that something is more than one in number. That is, for example, toy, toys, cup, cups, spoon, spoons. Now, let's crack it. Here are some naming words. Now, you need to see the picture and then it is in a singular form, your plural form, you need to write it. Okay, see the first picture. How many? You are able to see only one cat or 3 cats? There are 3 cats. So then it's a plural form because cats are more than one. Then write cats. Then second picture, dog. Third picture, you are able to see more than one. Those are chicks. And then fourth picture, apples. Fifth, horse. Sixth, boat. And seventh, cakes. Eighth, tiger. Ninth, bus. Okay children, you all can write these spellings easily. And not only that, after the explanation I will share you the slides in the same video so that you can recheck the answers. Okay, now next slide. We add ears to words ending in s, sh, ch, x or z to show that something is more than one in number. For example, see, bus, buses. Bus word ends with s word. That's why we need to add for the plural form es. Church, see in church, ch are the last ending words and then you need to add for the plural form, that is es, churches. Fox, foxes. Dish, dishes. Okay. Now take the correct option for each word. Glass, glasses, because the ending word is yes. Then the plural form will be es. Take the correct word. Dog, dogs. Bench, benches. Wish, wishes. And 5 to 10 you will be doing your own and then you will recheck with the answers in the slide. Okay. Now next, look at the picture, read the words in the box, write them in the correct columns in the table below. Okay children, now see here a lovely girl is with a toy and she is in her bedroom. She is showing all her things. Now we need to identify which are plural and which are singular. Okay, observe the picture properly and then we will do the exercise now. See here, once again the girl is showing her bedroom. See here, down 2 boxes are given and they're like in one side it is left side it is given 1 and right side it is given many. Means you need to write from the help box 1, that is singular forms in one side and many forms, that is plural forms, in another side. Okay children, you will write it. Then now next, let's perfect it. Write the plural forms of these words. Remember to add s or es. Tree, trees. And then glass, it is class, classes. Watch, watches. Bush, bushes. Key, keys. Bee, bees. See here children, there are some words which are ending with yes, sh and normal words. Where you need to add s and where you need to add es, you will easily come to know. Okay, axe, axes, latch, latches, bunch, bunches, orange, oranges, oranges, bunches, bunches. See, you try to write and then you will be checking the answers in the further slides. Now, comprehension. Children, see, you are going to get in the exam also the comprehension. You need to recite the poem and then we will be asking you the questions regarding the poem only. Okay children, see, not only this poem, I'll be giving you different one in the exam, so that you should be able to read that and answer the questions. Okay, here's one bird up in the sky, add two more, see the birds fly. Cow, dog or frog, lark, shark or monkey. Add an s to any and we get so many. But when we want just one of each, just take away the yes. And what's left is less. Okay children, see here in this comprehension, in this poem, they have explained us easily that see, cow, dog or frog, lark or shark or a monkey are singular, and if we add s to them, they will get and we get so many, that cow, add yes, cows, dog, dogs, frog, frogs, lark, larks, shark, sharks, monkey, monkeys. Okay, now we will see the questions given below. Now answer these questions. How many birds fly? See here, how many birds fly? See here, one flew away. See here children, here a small mistake is printed in the textbook. That's why you need to rectify it. See, dash in dash you need to write one, and then fly you just round off fly, and then write flew, flew. One flew away. Yes. What do we add to get many? We add an extra, that is means more to that, extra. In the brackets you can write one more to get many. What do we do when we want just one of each? We take away the s, right? Now see here, please check the answers in the further slides. First try to write yourself and then you will be checking the answers. Okay children, yes, see here, this is the first slide and then goes to the next and then next and then next and then next, and then see here I have given those corrections. You just write those things children. Okay, and with this I will end this chapter. You will be practicing more on the one and many, so that you will be perfect in writing s and es to the words. Okay children, bye bye, have a nice day.